Most people use ChatGPT like it's Google and they use it as simple question and answering body. But with the recent updates, the chat made it one of the most powerful AIs, and I want to show you real use cases that will allow you to save up to 8 hours every single week, that will allow you to research your competitors and your ideal avatar, that will allow you to keep your content, your offers, and your final ideas sharp, up to date, and relevant for your ideal avatar. And the best part is that you can implement all of it in under 5 minutes. Now, in case you missed it, a couple of weeks ago, at the time of me recording this video, Chat not only released this new super powerful broken model O3, but it also allowed all models to have scheduled task feature. And what this allows it to do is like take it to the next level. First, I want to talk to you briefly about O3 and how powerful it is. It's by far the best model I ever spoke with. It's smarter, it can access web, it can reason much better than other models, and it can also do crazy stuff for you. So it's already starting to become more autonomous. One of the craziest use cases that I saw when I watched, YouTube video of a guy talking about AI was that he told O3, research 100 businesses in my local area that are doing X, Y, and Z that need my services as an AI agency guy who can help them with X, Y, and Z, and find me their phone numbers, their businesses, what are they doing, how I can help them, and also craft me a opening email that will work. And it took probably 10-ish minutes for O3 to do it, but it researched the entire web, it found people, it found their email addresses, and it even crafted cold emails for him to reach out to these businesses. Like, think about how crazy this is. And then recently they also introduced scheduling. So I want to show you how I use O3 for scheduling some really important tasks, and I want to give you some done for you prompts that you can use that I found very useful in my business. So use case number 1, weekly competitor Intel. Actually, I'll go to my Facebook because I share this with my Facebook friends. So I want you to see the actual prompts, but again, I'll also link them down below. So this is the prompt for weekly competitor Intel. It says, every day of the week, let's say Tuesday, find 3 to 5 top competitors in insert your niche. For each, break down their core offer and promise, pricing and value ladder, funnel flow, landing page, upsell, etc., positioning, how they differentiate, content angle or messaging, include URLs, screenshots where possible, summarize patterns and shifts you notice compared to last week. And you can go to O3 and you can tell it to do this. And it's pretty good. By the way, it's still not perfect. Sometimes it bags out and doesn't do some things, but it works pretty well. By the way, if you're looking to learn more about AI and how you can implement it in your own business, every week I'm releasing 1 to 3 new videos on real life use cases, how I'm using AI, how you can implement it in your own offer so you stay ahead of your competitors and you don't get left behind with this new AI wave that is coming. So consider subscribing. Okay, do we want to go in order? This is number 2 use case that you can do. By the way, you can find your own additional use cases, but I found these 5 to be really powerful. So, lead magnet trends tracker. If you want to know currently what's working in your niche to stay up to date, to generate leads, you can use this prompt. Every day of the week, let's say Wednesday, scan websites, opt-in pages, and ads in insert your niche. Identify 5 current lead magnets being used, ebooks, templates, mini courses, checklists, etc. For each, break down type of lead magnet, headline and subheadline, core promise, funnel flow, opt-in to offer, however it goes, summarize the trends, and highlight any unique approaches or formats. By the way, you can even improve these prompts, like you can put it into chat and you can say, hey, improve me this prompt and apply it for my business. Now, this one is one of my favorites. I call it Offer Angle Analyzer. So it allows you to study which hooks, angles, and mechanisms are currently working within your niche and why. So the prompt goes like this. Every day of the week, find 3 successful digital offers targeting insert your niche audience. For each, analyze the core problem they solve, unique mechanism, angle, USP, bonuses used and their positioning, funnel structure, add, opt-in, offer, upsell, price points, summarize why they're converting, and what I can apply to my own offer. Like, think how crazy this is. By the way, you can schedule this and it gives you a report every week, but honestly, you can just ask currently, maybe make a bit more robust prompt, And you can go to O3, and this is why I said it's one of the most powerful models, because other models couldn't do that, not as well at least. So O3 I found is, at least again at the time of me recording this, the most powerful model for such things like research, reasoning, all of it like at once. Yeah, by the way, you have bonus here. I have newsletter. I'll link it below. Every week I'm sharing under 5-minute tips on how to use AI in your business. I share tools, I share strategies, I share prompts, tactics, etc. Everything that I'm learning. So consider subscribing. Now, I think we have two more use cases. So email teardown machine. Why should you build your own personal swipe file when AI can do it for you every single week? So look at this prompt. Every day of the week, scan marketing emails from top creators in your niche. Pick 3 campaigns for each. Break down subject line and preview text, core hook or promise, offer type, call to action and formatting, any emotional or scarcity tactics used, summarize key takeaways, and suggest ideas I could test in my own list. So think about how this is powerful. Like, it can find you the top hooks, it can find you what's working, it can find you what people are working. By the way, you can also do this within your niche, but if you want to be even more differentiated, you can do it in adjacent niche or some other niche. And I think that's pretty freaking crazy, because it can give you ideas that maybe people in your niche are not using right now. And last use case, actually, where is it? Yeah, the last use case for today, one of my favorite ones, because I'm really big. I don't know if you know, before I dove deep into the AI, one of the main things was like content and messaging and defining your ideal avatar. So what I spent a lot of time on were pain points of the audience. And this prompt just takes this to another level. So let me show you. You can get raw data straight from your market's mouth every single week. And this is the prompt. Every day of the week, scan Reddit, Facebook groups, YouTube comments, and Quora threads related to, insert your niche. Identify 5 real pain points your audience is expressing. For each, include a direct quote, the context in which it appeared, the emotional tone behind it, suggest content or offer angle that addresses it, and summarize overall emotion threads and shifts. And again, you can use these prompts either right now, so if you don't want to schedule them, or you can schedule them, and you can also improve them, and you can make them more relevant to your niche, and you can come up with different ones. You can copy paste these 5, and you can come to chat and be like, hey, give me another 5 that are relevant to what I need in my business. These are the things that I need, and it will do that for you. And I was thinking, instead of like just copying this in a doc for you, I'll just link this post, and you can come and you can find all of these here, right? So this is by far one of my favorite ChatGPT updates, both the scheduling part and the O3 part. It's been the most fun I've had with AI lately. It's coming close to autonomous AI agents. It's still not there, but honestly, one time I asked O3, I had this issue and I needed the entire Excel sheet reformatted. I needed a lot of tables and stuff deleted, and like all this jazz. And I was like, this is gonna take me like 45 minutes to do myself. So I came to O3 and I told it like, hey, build it in such a way. I need just to upload this and give me a done version as CSV file. And it took it like 3-4 minutes. It just gave me the file. I downloaded it and uploaded it instead of wasting 45 minutes to do it myself. So the use cases are insane. And I'll give you another one and I'll let you go. So I'm gonna give you another use case and we'll end the video, where I had this like troubleshooting problem with my funnel builder and I didn't know how to fix it. And I just told O3 to go and find all the data. And now, instead of like, imagine how much time it took you to view the help desk and ask in the Facebook group and try to watch tutorials, and now O3 summarizes it all and it just tells me what to do. Think how crazy that is. And I cannot believe that people don't use this in the best ways possible. So this is definitely something I'm doing and I recommend you should do as well. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'm beyond sure that you will like this one that shows you how I built 2 fully functioning apps without knowing how to code, just by chatting with AI. So check it out and I'll see you there.